Hello and welcome to a new property tour. Today we are in Bella Vista, visiting one of the most anticipated buildings in this area, PH Armonía. Today we're touring the updated model apartment. As we enter the building, you're immediately welcomed by a beautiful design lobby. The space feels open and refined. Large windows allow beautiful natural light. Now let's go straight into the new model apartment. This is a one-bedroom apartment, beautifully designed to maximize space and functionality. The building also offers 2- and 3-bedroom layouts. As we enter, we're welcomed by the kitchen is positioned strategically to create a spacious flow. On one side, you'll find the sink area, and on the other side, the stove, creating an ample open kitchen feel that's both practical and elegant. From the kitchen, the space opens naturally into the living area, perfect for relaxing, entertaining, and enjoying a cozy night in. The layout allows for a comfortable sitting and a TV area without feeling crowded. Right behind the living room space, we have the dining area. It integrates seamlessly into the open layout, making the apartment feel cohesive. Now let's step into the primary bedroom. It is spacious and thoughtfully arranged to offer privacy and comfort. It feels like a retreat within the home. This unit features an ensuite bathroom. Also includes a walk-in closet, providing excellent storage and organizational space. In addition, the apartment includes a second bathroom for guests, a huge plus in a one-bedroom layout. Tucked away conveniently, there is also a dedicated space for a laundry area, maximizing functionality without interrupting the aesthetics of the apartment. Now, the amenities here truly elevate the living experience. We start with the game room, a beautiful design lounge area that includes a pool table, TV section, and comfortable spaces for working and relaxing. It's ideal for hosting friends or enjoying downtime without leaving the building. A fully equipped gym is part of the project and will be available for residents, adding convenience to your daily routine. One of the standout features is the rooftop social area. There's a beautiful barbecue section with ample seating, perfect for enjoying Panama's warm weather year-round. On the rooftop level, Armonia will also feature a cinema room and additional seating spaces, creating more areas for entertainment and social gatherings. The rooftop pool offers stunning panoramic views of the city skyline. It is a space that combines relaxation, luxury, and urban energy all in one. And the turquoise color is wonderful. It's full of greenery, and it gives a wonderful feeling just being out here in the sun. Armonia truly lives up to its name. It brings together comfort, design, location, and lifestyle in perfect balance. If you're interested in owning an apartment in PH Armonía, whether it's one-bedroom layout or the larger versions, don't hesitate to contact us at My Second Option. We would be honored to help you secure your dream property in Panama. Thank you for joining us on this tour, and we'll see you in the next one. At My Second Option, we're constantly looking for the best investment and the right fit for you. We are out here walking the land, going to the properties, meeting with developers, checking permits, and building the connections that matter. We operate in Panama, Paraguay, and El Salvador, 3 countries full of opportunity, each with their own rhythm and potential. In Paraguay, we focus on sovereign living, low-cost land, legal residency, and long-term value for those who want peace and security outside the noise. In El Salvador, we guide you through the frontier of freedom, from ocean viewscapes to off-grid living in a country embracing innovation, Bitcoin, and new beginnings. And here in Panama, we bring you options. From tropical villas to city apartments to turnkey Airbnb setups in a country with strong infrastructure, 0% tax on foreign income, embracing cryptocurrency, technology, global access, and an international way of living. We handle everything: second citizenship, relocations, real estate, construction, remodelations, development, legal and accounting advice, property management, and more. We help you establish your business through our network with the best in-house team of lawyers and accountants. We're hands-on, transparent, and always tailored to your goals. Whether you're relocating, investing, or just building a plan B, we help you do it right and do it smart. We are always seeking for the right investment for you. So don't hesitate to contact us. Our WhatsApp link is in the description. Or scan the QR code at the end of the video to connect with us directly. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you on the next one.